Hey, want to boost your productivity by over 50% just by changing how you wake up? Here's what they don't tell you about morning routines. Most people sabotage their day before they even get out of bed. Stick around, because I followed this science-backed morning routine for a week, and the results were insane. Before we dive in, check out www.nutrislab.com, linked in the description, for detailed product reviews, expert health tips, and a wide range of articles on men's wellness and beauty. Subscribe to Nutrislab channel, like and share this video. This video is all about waking up like a champion. Not just waking up early, but waking up with purpose, energy, and a plan. We're breaking down a 10-step morning routine that's backed by science and designed to help men over 50 or, honestly, any age, boost energy, sharpen focus, and feel unstoppable. Let's be real. Most mornings suck. You wake up groggy, hit snooze 3 times, rush through breakfast, or skip it, and start your day already behind. Sound familiar? That sluggish start doesn't just ruin your morning, it wrecks your whole day. Low energy, poor focus, zero motivation. And if you're over 50, it hits even harder. Your body's not bouncing back like it used to. But here's the good news. You can flip the script. With just a few changes, you can wake up feeling like a champion. Let's break down the 10 steps of this science-backed morning routine. Step 1. Wake up at 5 a.m. Research shows early risers have better mental health, more optimism, and higher life satisfaction. Waking up at 5 gives you an extra 3 hours every day. That's 36 extra days a year. But don't jump straight to 5 a.m. Start by waking up 5 minutes earlier each day. In 12 days, you'll be waking up an hour earlier without the shock. And when your alarm rings, don't snooze. Get up and stand in an expansive body position. It boosts confidence and energy. Then, get sunlight. Just 10 minutes of morning sun helps your brain wake up and regulate your body clock. Step 2. Hydrate immediately. At 5:10 a.m., drink a glass of water on an empty stomach. It flushes out toxins, boosts immunity, and supports natural energy. Skip the coffee for now. Cortisol is already doing the job. Let your body wake up naturally. Step 3. Morning workout. At 5:15 a.m., hit the gym. Exercise increases mitochondria, your body's energy factories. Want to stay motivated? Sleep in your gym clothes. It tricks your brain into workout mode and removes friction. You've now eaten the frog, done the hardest task first. Step 4. Quick shower with purpose. At 6 a.m., shower, but make it count. Use products free of BPA and alkystenols, chemicals that mimic estrogen and lower testosterone. Keep it under 10 minutes. Use a timer or a shower steamer that dissolves in 5-10 minutes. Brush your teeth, do your skincare, and manscape while the steamer runs. This is your spa moment. Relax and recharge. Step 5. Make your bed. At 6:10 a.m., make your bed. It's a small win that triggers a dopamine hit. Each completed task builds momentum for the next. Step 6. Eat a smart breakfast. At 6:15 a.m., fuel your brain. Skip the sugary stuff. Pancakes, bagels, cereal, and OJ are basically dessert. Go for fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Try whole wheat toast, avocado, and eggs. Or, if you're short on time, consider intermittent fasting. It boosts longevity and supports weight loss. Step 7. Dress for success. At 6:30 a.m., get dressed, even if you work from home. Your clothes affect your mindset. Create a daily uniform, like jeans, a black tee, and white sneakers. Simple, stylish, and effective. Step 8. Create your to-do list. At 6:40 a.m., write down your top 3 tasks for the day. Focus on what gives you the highest return on your time. Don't go to bed until those 3 are done. Now here's the game changer. This routine isn't just about one good morning. It's about building a system that sticks. The last two steps are what make this routine sustainable. Step 9. Conserve decision-making power. Your brain has limited decision-making energy each day. Don't waste it in the morning. Automate your routine. Same wake-up time, same breakfast, same outfit. Less thinking, more doing. Step 10. Maintain the routine. Don't try this for one day and quit. Stick with it for a month. You'll see changes in your productivity, confidence, and mental health. And once you feel the difference, you won't want to go back. Let's recap. This morning routine helps you wake up earlier and gain more time. Boost testosterone and energy naturally. Improve focus and motivation. Build momentum with small wins. Fuel your body and brain. Stay consistent with minimal effort. You've got the blueprint. Now it's up to you to follow it. And if you're over 50, this routine is even more powerful. It helps you fight fatigue, stay sharp, and feel younger. Comment below with your current morning routine, and check out our next video on evening routines for better sleep. Subscribe to NutrizLab, like and share this video, and visit www.nutrizlab.com for expert reviews and wellness tips. Links to product reviews and resources are in the description. Watch the next video.